My guess is that you've been using your toothpaste wrong this whole time, right? You open up your toothpaste tube and you're like, yahoo, I'm brushing my teeth, we're getting them squeaky clean. You close your lid, or if you have those twist off ones, you're doing the twist off thing. And then you're like, all right, this is amazing. However, you got this like lumpy situation going on here. So then you're like taking your fingers and you're trying to get all the toothpaste out, because these babies can add up when it comes to price. And you're going like this, but yet there's still like air down in here, so you're not really doing a great job. And then you're like, well, let me just like get on a counter and like smooth it down like that. Then I'll get all this toothpaste out. Yeah, that's all I gotta do is do that. Or you're like, maybe I'll do that and then I'll buy one of those fancy things that you put on the end right here that moves down. Okay, that's an idea. Or you're like, I'm just gonna roll it as I use the toothpaste and I'm gonna put a binder clip down here. Yeah, I mean, that's an option too, or you could use like a paper clip. Or maybe you're like, Andrea, I just cannot handle another battle with my toothpaste. It's going in the garbage. Garbage. I'm not scrimping, I'm not scraping, although I know there was a lot of good toothpaste in that tube. But I got something even better for you, my friend. Take that off. Now, go about your normal business when it comes to using your toothpaste, but when you're about halfway through, this is what you're going to do. You impress your friends and your family. You're just gonna cut the end of this off. There we go. And then if you open this up, look at all this goodness that's waiting to have a party in your mouth. Yes, so then you're gonna dip your toothbrush on this side of it. And when you're ready to close it up, you're gonna go ahead and fold it over. You certainly can use a binder clip if you have it handy, or just a good old, no more waste, my friend, when it comes to your toothpaste. Click the video on screen now for some additional cleaning and life hacks. Thumbs up, subscribe, and I will see you, my friend, in the next one.